if we'll be able to see it. There's too much sun here. I don't know if I can even block the sun.
Yeah.
Is that it?
No, it's
Nope. Gas and diesel. We're technically passing the border right now. It's after this overpasses the border. This is the border. I don't see anything. What's that little sign? Welcome, or Missouri State Line. That's it. That's it? Missouri State Line? There's no welcome to Missouri. Is it up there, that blue one? There's a blue thing up there.
The blue and white one.
Probably. That's probably it.
Missouri, right there, the blue
Yep.
one.
Okay, let's slow down and then go in there. There you go. There's the Missouri sign. Welcomes you. Missouri welcomes you. There we go. Now all the trucks are coming flying by. There you go. It's too sunny.
It's too dirty.
Too sunny and too many bugs.
There you go.
Alright, time to go because there's too many trucks. Let's go. Alright, there's a welcome center, so let's stop in there and see what they got. It is up there. Missouri's welcome center. Wow, so shaky. Let's go. This area doesn't like pets. They want you to go take them to the trail over there. There's some buffalo and a horse there. Some buffalo or bison. Okay. Here's Missouri welcomes you. They have a playground there. And let's go. I need to use the restroom. They have this. Missouri. A lady standing here. The brochures. Nobody's at the counter. They ran out of candies. Alright. And there's their little map. Let's go. What? They have phone call things here? What is this? Interesting. Is this a prison? What's going on here? So they have a big walking trail area here. I don't know if there's the trail goes all the way over there or not. It might. But and it just looks like a flat metal plate, so it's just cut out metal pieces, and they have several. Yeah, it's too sunny. Okay, it looks like the path does go closer there, so let's see. This trail, I don't know where it's leading to, but we're walking all the way around. So it just goes all the way around, so now we're the same distance, we're still far away, but you can see how it's being held up with those things. So they have this circle to walk around with your dog or other pets if you bring your other pets around. But yeah. Okay, they do let you go close to one of them. You can see somebody graffitiing on it. Top one. You can walk to that buffalo too. Walk to the horse guy. Sign over there. What's that? Warning. Buried cable. Oh. Don't get electrocuted. I don't think you can walk to the horse one. Okay, walking all the way back around. Back to the cars over there. Alright, let's continue on. Alright, and then here's the barbecue place. We'll get there around 8. Only 4 miles left until we get to Love's, and we'll get the magnet. And then, yeah, we're almost done. They have some barbecue fireworks over there. What? More fireworks over here.
In 500 feet, turn left.
Wow, all these fireworks stores here. Okay, well, we're at Love's now, so let's get the magnet and then let's go. Since we can't bring back fireworks or we'll get in trouble. Alright, we're here. Let's go see if they have the magnet. Alright. Alright, we got it, and the total price was $6.43. So there you go. Let's go ahead and stick this on the back. Alright, we got it. We only need one more there, and then, or was there two more? That, and then we have, oh wait, that one, and then two more over here, plus California, so four more. Let's go. Alright, so here we go. We're at 49%, it's 5:33 p.m., 71 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And, oops, let's get rid of that. We'll arrive with 42% to the next supercharger in 14 miles. Look at their little water towers, like a little spaceship with an antenna. I wonder how
in
often
500
people
feet,
like
turn
bought
right to
fireworks
take
and
the
then lit
Interstate
them at
35 South ramp toward Bethany.
the gas station with like 3 different fireworks shops, right? I was wrong. There's 4 fireworks shops. There's Pyro City, that Shelton one. There's Haley and some other ones over there. A lot of fireworks here. That water tower is so high above the trees. They must get really good water pressure there. That's so tall. Alright, we're almost at the supercharger here. They have a Dollar Tree here in the middle of nowhere. It's now the Dollar Plus Tree. Alright, we're here. Time to charge. Alright, we need to charge for a little bit so we can get to the next supercharger. It says we'd arrive with -2%, so let's just charge up a little bit and then we'll go. I don't know if it's gonna charge. Oh, there we go. Okay, it was taking forever to activate. So let's see. Here's the gas station. I don't know if I should go in here and see if this kind of gas station carries the magnets just for future purposes if I need to. So there it is. Alright, let's try this strawberry ice cream I got from Iowa. We're in Missouri now, but let's try Iowa ice cream. Alright. My little freezer kept it frozen. The top is a little bit melted. Alright. You can see they put giant chunks of strawberries in there. Okay. The ice cream texture is a bit like, what do you call? It's like not snow, but pretty good. So it has a texture kind of almost like a frozen slushie, but softer. It has that like grainy ice feel, which if you like that, you like that. If you don't, you don't. So yeah, but it's like super easy to scoop. Nice. Personally, I prefer Haagen-Dazs strawberry over this, but this isn't that bad. And those strawberries are nice. And this ice cream has milk, cream, sugar, buttermilk, strawberries, strawberry syrup, high fructose corn syrup, water, corn syrup, artificial flavor, citric acid, sodium benzoate, xanthan gum, F, D, and C, red number 40, vanilla, and it has milk. So the flavor of this is similar to the strawberry shortcake jelly belly jelly beans that I was eating, except it has like actual strawberries in there. And the strawberries aren't like boosted with sugar and stuff, it just tastes like an actual frozen strawberry. But it's not like rock solid, so it's good. You can actually bite the strawberries. Alright, that's it. Alright, we charged enough to go. Let's go. We didn't really need to charge that much here. There's another faster charger at the restaurant that we're gonna eat at, so yep, let's go. Huh? Alright, let's go. Vehicle is that making a dust cloud over there. So this is what Missouri's looks like. So they put the little shape of Missouri on it. There you go. Looks like the police pulled someone over here. park was called Worlds of Fun Village, apparently. That's what Google Maps said. It's too dark, you can't really see. There's a nice river down there.
1,000 feet. Your destination will be on the right.
One thing they need to fix in this, what do you call, in the UI, is if I put so right now we're at the barbecue place, right? If I put a charging location, it will actually, like, right after the stop I'm making, so it doesn't know I'm gonna sit here for an hour or something, and it starts preconditioning the battery. Like, I don't want to warm up the battery while I'm eating. That makes no sense. And then the battery's gonna cool down, and then you just wasted a whole bunch of battery just charging or heating up the battery for no reason. So they need to fix that in the UI. It's like, how long do you plan to stay here? Are you just going and then leaving right away? Because if I'm going to someone's house and then have a charger on the way, like, next, I'm gonna, like, sleep there, and it's just, I just want to put it in the GPS, right? It's not like I'm gonna drive to the charger right away. So they need to fix that, because otherwise it's annoying. I have to, like, delete the charger and then wait till I get to my stop, wait till I wake up, and then put the charger back on. It's kind of doesn't make sense. Either that or I have to add a fake stop in between or something and then delete it the next day or whenever I decide to go again. So they need to work on that. Okay, my friend recommended this place, LC's Barbecue, so we're here. And we got all this smoke coming out. Wow. Cooking. Look at that. They have the whole barbecue grill thingy going. Here's their menu. Alright, so here's what I ordered, a slab and a mixed plate. The mixed plate, they ran out of the beef burnt ends, so I got pork burnt ends and then rib ends, and then, or rib tips, and okra as a side. Okay, so they got confused. They didn't have the rib tips, but they had beef burnt ends, they said. So we got beef and pork burnt ends, and then the full slab, and then we got side of okra and long ribs. So we're gonna have a lot of ribs. Alright, here it is, the full slab, and then we got pork and beef burnt ends. We got okra, bread, and some. Okay, they're like, hold on, don't take a picture yet. They forgot the other long rib. Our fried okra is good. I'm assuming that's beef and that's pork. The beef is much more soft and tender. The pork is more chewy. Flavor is very similar. It's good. Very good. Very tender. And has a nice smoky flavor. He made a special request for hot bread, so they did something to heat it up. There's our leftover. I ate a small end and then got all that. Right, we got all this leftover. After tip and everything, 65 total. That's like 2 big meals. This is a lot of rib. It might last actually another two meals. Maybe 3. Okay, heading over to Andy's frozen custard, and then we'll head on to the charger. My friend said he'll meet up. His daughter was being fussy, so he wasn't able to meet up at the barbecue place. And the barbecue place is like 20 minutes away, so it's like extra, like double the distance.
Feet,
so
turn left onto
yeah.
Eastwood Traffic
They
Way.
probably ate already too, so I guess it worked out. Alright, we're here at Andy's frozen custard. Let's see. I think that the last ice cream place we went to with the burgers, that was also frozen custard. I didn't know they call it custard. So there's the frozen custard. So they have concretes, shakes, malts, jackhammer, waffle cones, cups, lots of stuff. Alright, here we go. Strawberry Oreo shake. Andy. Great. That car has, look at that. They got some Halloween stuff sticking out of their car. It's in the dark. Alright, that was good. It was nice meeting up with them, and yeah. The food was good. The food they recommended was good, and the ice cream was good too. All right, let's go. Bye. All right, charger's 3.5 miles away. We're okay, and we're currently at 18%. It says we'll arrive with 17. So
Now turn left to take the
not really
Interstate
gonna use
70
much to go
East
there.
ramp.
Most of it's downhill, I think. So gotta turn left, but not here. Okay, we're at the chargers. It looks like a big shopping area. Ooh, they have lots of free chargers here if you're okay sleeping overnight. You can charge there for hours. So they have free charging here. Nice. Alright, we're here. This is the most Teslas I've seen parked in one right now. We have like 6 of them. At least in a while. Let's go ahead and plug in to charge. It's the faster chargers. And they have a lot of those free chargers. Honestly, if you wanted to live out your car, you can live out your car over here. Alright. So here we go. Yep, you can live out of your car and just sleep there, charge all day. You don't have to worry about the cost of keeping your car powered up. Alright, so this should charge at 250 kilowatt hours. Let's see how far we gotta go if I need to increase this, because it's getting upset that I keep charging to 100%. Alright, we're at 37%. It's 9:59 p.m., 51 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And as you can see, well, we're going to drive to another supercharger over there and then go to the Capitol in the morning. We'll see. Okay, we have plenty charge to continue the trip. We're at 76%. And as you can see, it says we'll arrive with 27. So let's continue. Alright, let's unplug and go. Ooh. Got another 2 hours or so of the drive. Then we will rest. There you go. Police, what happened? Oh, they pulled over somebody. Pulled over our Prius. And I decided to stop by this quick trip first. Let's see, where's the... Oh, I could have went in that way. Oh, this way. Use the restroom, then go and charge and sleep. Alright, let's go head on to the charger. Alright, it's just down
In 500 feet, turn left.
Let's see, the chargers are back. Oh, right here.
Now turn left.
Yeah, next to this barbecue place, we just have lots of barbecue. Alright, let's plug in. Alright, we'll plug in and then sleep. Park somewhere, sleep, and then head on over to the Capitol. Could possibly even drive to the Capitol and then sleep near there. I don't know. Alright, we're pretty much done charging. Let's move somewhere and then sleep and then continue in the morning. Oh, it just stopped. Go. Oh, hey, let go. There we go. Alright, so let's just park somewhere and sleep.